Well, everyone has started in the shallow end, so I'm going to start in the deep end with the good old wee pink sneak. And I get to try this rod out in a bit of wind today, so that's fun. I've got 4 hours to make something happen. Oh, this thing swims wild. I might have actually been getting a wee chase there. Oh, a little bit tangled up there, is it? Maybe not. Oh, she got tangled. Oh, that's fine. Came out. Nice. Tell you what, there's absolutely no way the wee 5-weight could have cast in this. It's probably wind noisy as fuck. I'm sure you can see how wild the wind is. Look at that. She's straight out. Time to switch up plans. Get myself on the floating line. Fire a wee bung on. And if we then come back, if we then have to come back to a lure guy, then we'll do that. Well, everyone seems to be on the bung. No one seems to be catching. So we're shifting. Then we're going back to the old pooling. Got wee dams will be on just now. So we'll give this old girl a wee try. And if I have to go back on the big giant snake, then I'll do that too. It's quite like fishing that snake. Oof, we had a little grab there of it. That could be a good sign. Let's try that again. Let it sink. Oh yes, no way. Maybe I should fish this on a bung instead. Come on. Tell you what, fighting a fish. Oh, he pulled it, cunt. Wonder if I hadn't said it enough. I feel strange. I didn't expect that. Like, I sort of wanted it to happen, but I didn't expect it. Wonder how well he had the hook. Let's just try the same spot again, just in case. Maybe I should put this on the bung. Maybe that would help. I'll have to change lines again, but... Right. One more try with this big yellow. Looking... Well, I mean, it's green in the water, but... This big fucking massive thing. And then we will try on the bung just in case. That is going to help me. Let's just sink this thing down. We'll do a few casts with it. And we'll see. Yep. Oh, stay on, please. Oh my god, he's coming at me quick. Come on, 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 come on. Yes, thank fuck. Man, that's been a struggle so hard today. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow. Away it goes. Oh, what a difference that makes to a day. Actually getting onto a bloody fish, my god. Let's see if I can do that again. Oh wow. Seems like they'll chase it just now. This is a bigger fish as well. So maybe I'll take the indicator off and pull this thing along the top. Oh, it's a brook trout. No way. Don't know if you watched the last video and see what happened with the last brook trout that I had on. But it was a bit of a mish. He literally went underneath the pontoon I was fishing on. This is a better size, to be fair. Fucking hell, I'm stood in the line. Just give him a bit. I wouldn't mind getting him on the reel if I can, but... get him to chill out a bit. Wow, it's a good sized fish. Let's get the pressure on him. Oh, he's nice. See if I can bring him round. Oh my god, it's a giant. Holy shit, it looks like a pike if it's that big. Come on, please. Please, 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 please. Oh, we've got him. Holy shit. That is a fucking nice fish. Wow, I might have to take the indicator off and pull them along. Beautiful brook trout, absolute giant. Wow. What a fucking absolute stunning fish. Oh my god. Well, I think I take the indicator off, pull them along the top and see if I can get some more. Holy shit. I'm actually astonished. I tell you, I did not expect today to go the way it has. Really did not expect that giant brook trout. That is amazing behaviour. Absolutely buzzing with that. Be nice to get another fish. At least I've had the two so far, so I can't complain about that at all. It's more than I've had recently, so happy days if you ask me. We can put up with the wind if it's gonna give me results like that. I wonder if it's even worth me putting the indicator back on and pulling through the way I was. Because maybe the indicator was creating such a wake that they just couldn't resist. Because that was, an absolute giant. You see the hook on its jaw, like, unbelievable patter. Buzzing. We'll go with a few more pulls. I'd like to be able to get out in front of me, see if there's anything out a wee bit deeper. But I am a bit worried that I'm going to end up with a hook in my eye. Oh, pulled out his mouth. Had another one on. Seemed like the little jerky movements were good. Felt alright, but he head shake it so fast. What a fantastic day. Now, I didn't do an outro while I was there, because I forgot. However, I'm really pissed at myself for not filming that brook trout better, because he was a stunner. Massive, massive, massive hook jaw on him. You could see, when I was looking down on him, I was thinking, man, thing looks weird, but it's because his jaw, the bottom jaw was so hooked, you could literally see it from the top. Absolutely gutted in film it, and what a colour was on him. But that is going to do it for today. Hopefully next session we'll get some more. Can't say for sure. Any tips, any ideas, anything to try, let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.